Welcome back. Let's explore one of the most powerful and underrated visual in Power BI, the decomposition tree. If you want to do root cause analysis and truly understand your data, this visual is a game changer. In this video, we'll break it down step by step in the simplest way possible. So basically, what is a decomposition tree? It's an AI powered visual in Power BI that helps you break down a metric into smaller parts. Instead of just seeing the totals, you can drill down, explore categories, and understand what's driving your numbers. It's like asking why again and again until you find the root cause. So, why should you use this visual? Because it helps you understand your data deeply, break down the complex metrics, and explore data interactively. Instead of static charts, you get a dynamic analysis tool. To make this visual work, you need two main inputs. Analyze the field. This is your metric like total sales and explain by fields. This makes our dimensions like region, product, and category. Together, they create a hierarchy for analysis. Setting this up is very simple. We'll see that in practical as well. At the decomposition tree visual, drag your measures into the analyzed field, add dimensions to explain by, and that's it. Your tree is ready to explore. So, how it works is that now here's where it gets interesting. You can click on nodes to drill down into data, expand different levels, see how each category contributes, and each step gives you more detailed insights. One of the best things about this visual is its interactivity. You can choose the order of drill down, expand it dynamically, and even use AI suggestions to find the insights. So instead of guessing, Power BI helps guide you. Let's take a real example. Suppose you're analyzing electricity generation. First you took at First you looked at total generation, then break it down by utility, then further by the energy source. Step by step you understand what contributing to the total. This helps you discover insights like which category contributes the most, which segment is underperforming, and patterns you might miss in normal charts. This is true root cause analysis. Here are some pro tips. Sort your values properly, adjust bar size for better visibility, and use a clear hierarchy. This makes your analysis much easier. So here's the key takeaway. Decomposition tree is a powerful analysis tool. It helps you find root causes and makes your dashboards interactive. If you're serious about Power BI, you should definitely use this. Now let's try to create the decomposition tree and we'll see how that can be worked. Okay. So here we have to select a visual like here from here the decomposition tree. Okay, so let's just get it inside onto the center, and we need to add two field input types to make this visual work. The analyze field is where you'll put the metric you want, and to analyze which must be measure or an aggregate. The explain by input is where you'll add one or more of the dimensions you want to drill down into. We'll add a generation megawatt field as a sum to the analyze field. Okay, so we'll add this as a sum to the analyze field. Okay, and we'll add the field from the energy source to the utilities to explain by column. Okay, and the energy source as well. We can select any of the drill down fields to gain understanding of its contribution to the total megawatt hours generated. But to To drill into the first layer, let's select the icon plus that is mentioned that appears next to this bar. Okay. So here we have this four values like any of this field in any order, regardless how we edit them to the explain by fields. Let's choose utility first, and now the tree expands to the ranking of each of the utilities as you are able to see. Let me just, okay. So where we can see the ranking of each of those utilities. Okay. So we can just make like the size, we can make it a little bit more. Mm, make it to 150. Okay. Okay. And okay. So this is how basically the decomposition uh, thing can work, and we can also expand this tree to basically, like to energy source maybe. Okay. So here you can see that we can also check for this California independent systems operator. This is like how much they have been kind of energy sources is being utilized like natural gas, solar, wind, nuclear. Okay, so similar we can check for Duke Energy Carolines. Okay, so it doesn't matter how you can also check from the natural sources, and here these utilities will come how much they are kind of utilizing it out. Okay, you can just log this out as well. So, this is how natural gas, and you can just unlock it out here. Okay, so this also has a feature of high value, okay, high and low value. So we just go for the high value, and this basically tells like which is the highest value that is being there. If you just hover over this light bar, the sum of mega is highest when utility is California Independent System Operator. Okay. And if we just go here and select for the low value, so is lowest when energy source is other. So just basically how like kind of this is maybe like a AI thing. So it basically tells us which is the highest and lowest rather than we directly going and understanding this out. Okay, so here just take for the highest one from the utility, and okay, let's just go with the high value. And if we expand here with the high value again, then it is going to when the energy source is natural. So it is basically telling us from the California itself what is the highest value with the natural gas. Similarly, if we select here, then it is going to give us like which one is the energy source is the highest for the Bonneville Power Administration. That is like a hydroelectric. Okay. So this is how basically if we go on drilling down, if we had one or more um, um, fields that were used, so we will be able to analyze on our own which is kind of the highest or the lowest, or which is the utility that consumes the highest one or the lowest one. So this is how basically this is something that is already that is inbuilt with AI into the Power BI, so this can be used as such. So hope you guys have understood this.